The Roland TD-27KV2 Generation 2 is not just an upgrade. It's a serious contender for the ultimate digital drum kit experience. Building on the already impressive TD-27KV, this second generation takes inspiration from Roland's flagship TD-50X, incorporating its advanced prismatic sound modeling into the updated TD-27 module. The result? An incredibly expressive and dynamic playing experience that blurs the lines between digital and acoustic. One of the standout features is the sheer size and quality of the pads. The 14-inch digital snare, 14-inch digital hi-hat, and 18-inch ride cymbal offer ample playing surface and utilize high-resolution, multi-sensor triggering for unparalleled responsiveness and accuracy. Every nuance of your playing, from subtle ghost notes to powerful crashes, is captured with stunning realism. The large diameter mesh head pads and thin profile cymbals further enhance the acoustic-like feel, providing a natural and satisfying playing experience. The TD-27 module itself is a powerhouse of sound and functionality. With 75 ready-to-play preset kits, including 10 all-new kits and a variety of fresh samples, you'll have a vast sonic palette at your fingertips. Roland's pure acoustic ambience technology allows you to immerse yourself in hyper-realistic sound spaces, while enhanced layer and transient functions, along with support for parallel compression, provide even greater control over your sound shaping. Beyond the impressive sound and feel, the TD-27KV2 offers seamless integration with your workflow. Practice along with your favorite tracks via wireless Bluetooth audio, record up to 28 channels of audio through a single USB cable, and utilize assignable direct audio outputs for live performances. Whether you're practicing in your bedroom, recording in the studio, or performing on stage, the TD-27KV2 is a versatile and powerful tool that can handle any drumming situation. It's a serious investment, but for the discerning drummer seeking top-tier performance and unparalleled expression, the Roland TD-27KV2 Generation 2 is a game changer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.